Right, these are the few things that we've done since you've been away. This is our fencing that Dad has done to stop the doggies getting out. Oh dear. This is our house with all the snow everywhere. It's very snowy. There's your old car covered in snow. See? Top stable, nothing in it. And look how pretty the trees look. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, nice, aren't they? Very nice looking snowy trees. Yes. I'll show you the gate that the fencing, no lorry anymore. Got to buy a trailer, but never mind. And virgin snow, never been walked on. I'll show you the fencing that Dad has done at the front to stop the doggies going out the front. There's front gate. Very, very snowy. Far field, can't see the top field. And there's the new fence that Dad has put all the way along here. And our new little gate that used to be very similar to when you were little. We used to have a gate here. There we are. Gate. And there's Crazy Poppy. Yes, and there's our house in a snow blizzard. Love you, and see you later.